All right, tail, whiskers, and eyebrows.
You look like a pro. Colin, you want me to throw you off too?
No.
Why not?
Trying not to cut the floor with the chainsaw. That's never a good thing. All right, where do you go? Oh, the tail. All right, what's next? Whiskers. What have you done? You slipped, didn't you? Let me see what you... I don't know what you guys in the back can see. Look what he did here. He slipped. Look at this. He's got whisker, whisker, whisker.
There you
whisker,
go.
Mustache. Oh, no, right there. He gave the rabbit a mustache. That's no mustache. You didn't touch it, did you?
Woo!
What is it? That's a booger. That is gross. All right, what do you got left here?
Yeah!